For the repair of the Imi Norgen IP converter, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add some pressurized air spark supply, and we also add a 4 to 20 milliamp input signal. By adding the milliamp input signal, we see that the unit responds accordingly and outputs the pneumatic output signal.
Let's
It is now clear that the IP converter is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.